you aware of the latest developments in the world of XRP? Despite some positive news, caution among traders is palpable. Let's dive into the complex market landscape surrounding XRP and what it means for traders and investors. Recent data from Kaiko shows a heavily skewed implied volatility smile for XRP options set to expire on April 18. This indicates that options traders are seeking downside protection, signaling nervousness despite positive developments. The demand for out-of-the-money puts, particularly around a strike price of $1.50, has surged, revealing concerns for potential downtrends. The volatility curve for later options, like those expiring on May 30, appears much more balanced. This suggests that traders are wary of upcoming regulatory events. One major factor influencing this cautious sentiment is the SEC's pending decision on Grayscale's application for a spot XRP ETF. The deadline for this decision is May 22, right after the April options expiry. Traders are positioning themselves defensively, anticipating possible delays or denials from the SEC, despite positive signals from the market. Interestingly, Ethereum recently launched a 2x leveraged XRP ETF. Analysts argue that if the SEC is okay with this riskier product, it might face pressure to approve a standard spot ETF. Consider this. Grayscale's previous legal battles were crucial in the approval of Bitcoin spot ETFs. They exposed the SEC's inconsistency, as the agency had already approved a Bitcoin futures ETF that closely tracked spot prices. This situation forced the SEC to align its decisions. XRP, however, is in a distinct position. It doesn't have a strong futures market, and a significant portion of its trading occurs overseas. Still, U.S. trading of XRP has recently climbed to its highest since the SEC's 2020 lawsuit led to widespread delistings. On the flip side, Solana has seen a decline in U.S. market share. Its numbers have dipped from 25–30% last year to just 16% now. Meanwhile, XRP's fundamentals are strengthening. It now leads the U.S. spot market depth among alternative coins, outperforming Solana and Cardano. Liquidity is on the rise, and the token's share of global trading volume is growing. This strengthening comes during a significant transition at the SEC. Paul Atkins has taken over leadership after Gary Gensler stepped down. Atkins is perceived as more market-friendly, which could signal a more favorable regulatory environment for crypto. In summary, while the market shows some signs of bullishness for XRP, caution remains prevalent among traders. Implied volatility suggests a focus on downside protection, fueled by upcoming regulatory decisions. The recent launch of a leveraged ETF could influence the SEC's stance on spot ETFs. As the crypto landscape evolves, it's essential to stay informed. Keep an eye on developments regarding XRP and the SEC, as they may significantly impact the market. If you found this video insightful, be sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more updates on the crypto market and how it affects your investments.